You asked, how to divide 500,000 by 2080 using the long division method. 5 is too small. 50 is too small. 500 is too small. Use 5,000. 5,000 divided by 2080 equals 2. 2 times 2080 equals 4,160. 5,000 minus 4,160 equals 840. Bring down 0, making 8,400. 8,400 divided by 2080 equals 4. 4 times 2080 equals 8,320. 8,400 minus 8,320 equals 80. Bring down 0, making 800. 800 divided by 2080 equals 0. 0 times 2080 equals 0. 800 minus 0 equals 800. The remainder is 800. The final result is 240 remainder 800.